Want to do realistic sketch but not able to blend the colors? Many artists has this problem, but don't worry, I'm Sutapaghosh going to give you 5 tips to blend the colors. Last one is very important, so let's start the video. Watch it full to get the realistic sketches. Hey, so today's topic is color pencil blending tips and tricks. So first of all, the very important thing is that paper quality. If your quality of paper is not good, you must not get the realistic set. So suppose you are using some cottage papers like this, very thin one, you will not get the expected result. Instead of that, try to use this 300 GSM papers. Watercolor we also do with it, but for sketches also this paper has very good result. Also you can use drawing books like this. It can be used for multi-purpose uses as I do, but for sketching also this paper really has a very soft result. So let's talk about the next point. Point number 2 is color quality. For realistic setting, quality of colors matters. If you are using such a type of cheap color pencils, like the price is only 25 rupees and you are expecting you are going to get the realistic result, it is not possible. So instead of that, you can go with such a type of bit high quality colors, like soft colors is there. It has a very bit price like 100 rupees. So you will definitely get a very good realistic sketch with this, and the blending quality is also very nice with it. Now next is strokes. I will show you 4 type of strokes over there, and for that I am making 4 boxes as you can see. So first of all, take one color and then use the pressure as much as you can. Total pressure. See, like this. With pressure. And then switch the color and then once again use pressure and try to blend the colors like this. See the effect. So this is the first way you can use strokes, and thus just opposite is light strokes. Use lightest pressure, less pressure, as less as possible, and work with 2 colors or 3 like this. See, this is with light pressure. Next is cross strokes. See, with cross strokes you can easily blend the colors and the result is very smooth. I hope you can watch it. If you are repeating the same things, then also the result will be so much smoother. See, this is called cross strokes. Okay. Next is circular rotation. Means in circular motion you are blending the colors one upon another. And see the beauty of the blending. So smooth. The more darker you want, the repeat the rotation. So this is circular rotation. Next is holding the pencil. See, if you are holding the pencil at the nearest point, you will get the harder stroke. While you are holding it at the back, you will get the lighter stroke and blending will be marvelous. Next is erasing technique. If you are erasing with rub, the super soft effect will not come. Instead of that, you just dab it. See the result? Just blot the excess color and you will get the super smooth effect. If you feel that this video is useful for you, then subscribe my channel cause I always bring quality videos and also share my channel so that many more can get this channel. So thank you so much for watching till here. Tomorrow same time I will bring more quality videos for you, so stay tuned, take care and bye.